You need to hear this if you're a spiritual seeker. Allah's Deen is on the move and it's time to be part of something bigger. Allah's Deen is like a river, always flowing, always moving forward. It's not waiting for anyone, but it welcomes everyone. Every day, hearts are opening, lives are transforming, and communities are growing stronger. Remember, it's not about the challenges we face, it's about the resilience we show. The progress of Allah's Deen can't be stopped by borders or barriers. It transcends time and space, reaching every corner of the earth. So why not be a part of this divine momentum? Reflect on your journey, seek knowledge, and contribute to the betterment of humanity. Let's embrace the unstoppable force of Allah's Deen and move forward together. Because with or without us, Allah's Deen continues. But imagine the blessings when we choose to be part of it. Be inspired, be motivated, and let's make a difference. Allah's Deen is unstoppable. Are you ready to join the journey?